Hey lovies, you're in just time for me to get ready. I take about 5 minutes to get ready, so let's get started. I wipe my face with Thayer's, especially when I have little breakouts as you see on my chin. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Be very gentle with your fingers. I know I'm rushing, but I'm always gentle with my fingers on my face. Then I put on serum. This is 100% organic. It's from Australia and has rose hip oil in it. Love it. Dab, 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 dab. Make sure it's all absorbed. Then with Dermaquest, love their Solar Moisturizer, SPF 30. Keep brushing it into your skin so it all soaks up. And then I got my Real Techniques blending sponge with my Dior foundation. And I mix it with SPF 50 sunblock. And I blend it in for me to have sort of BB cream / tinted moisturizer effects. And then I just blend it away. I just go at it. I know. It seems like a long time, but this is very, very substantial if you want your makeup to last. Makeup for 5 minutes a day. I would say it's really quick. See how fast it got the coverage? And if you saw me in person, it was very quick, but also it gave me that perfect coverage. Still right now, I'm going through a season of breakouts, so you can see how many spots I put with my concealer all over my face. Of course, under eye is always darker, so I'm always gonna put a bit more under the eye. And this one is from ColourPop, I believe. And I really, really, really love it because it has a really high coverage and it's cheap. So I could always stock them up. And all blended away. Looking good, looking good. You gotta keep telling yourself that. Oh, did I miss a spot? Just needed extra coverage for those days because yeah, those breakouts though, like really. So for a second coverage, I use my finger because it covers more if you do it a second time. But if you use the sponge, the sponge soaks up everything, and you don't get the higher coverage. So this is what I do when I do it twice. They cover it up. All right. Next, I move on to powder. I'm gonna set it with Real Techniques brush. Ooh, you guys gotta check this palette out. It's from Peak Beauty, and it's a green beauty, clean beauty, and it's a palette, so it has all the colors. Where I use it first for my shadows, see all over my eyes. Of course, I have to get both eyes. I just use it generously all over my lid and under my lid. And then I take the dark, it's actually brow powder, but I take the outer corners. I have a very small dent or a crease, so I just drag it in there and under my eye too. Then I wet the pointy side, and then I make an effect like an eyeliner. But instead of using eyeliner, if you do that, it's more in depth and it's not as strong. And then, since I'm in a rush, I'm gonna dab it again and put on my brows, add my brow powder. FYI, I do have microblading done, so that's why I just need to dab. I don't need to shape or anything. Oh, and this is my favorite set for highlighters. It's from Physician Formula. I believe it's discontinued and I broke the first one, so it's gone. But the golden color powder always gets my high point lids. I love it so much. And the darker one, I just do it a little bit on the cheeks. It looks a lot, but it's very highly pigmented, so which is awesome. And then I do on the sides of the face to kind of do a sculpting effect. Yes. I love this. It's just a little, but little goes a long way. And then use a liner because little extra oomph today. It's in between time before I get my lashes done again, so I needed an extra liner to set my look. And here we go. Final looks, final touches before I do. What did I forget? Oh, yes. Yeah, my lips. And this is also from Peak Beauty. Everything else on Peak Beauty, I'll put the description down below.
Alright, you guys, it's not the perfect look, but if you're in a hurry, this is very good look for you. I hope you liked it. Please thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Oh, by the way, sometimes I just blend on the way.